Another common issue I find is that there's too much slack on these pull belts. Too many times I've come into a customer facility and found that there is more slack on one belt than the other, or the belts are totally falling off. The right spot for maximum tension on these belts is to take one of these black knobs here that basically sets the tension for these, and I essentially bring it all the way up until there is absolutely no friction left. I'm not even touching this, it's just going upward. If I pull this all the way down, it will actually start to force back against me, and it will bring this wheel downward. And then once you go down far enough, it will allow you to take the pull belt off. But to get the right tension when they're running, see, it's pushing back against me. Oh, and then now I've just lost all friction, so that is where we want it.